Hi, so you'll be doing two assignments today in class. The first is the graph of the week. So it's right here, this meow, graph of the week number 2. But before you start that, please go to graph of the week number 1 to look at your feedback. You can go to the actual assignment. As long as you turned it in, you'll have some feedback. You can look at the rubric. And even if you gave me a hard copy, I graded it on Canvas. Now, here's the big problem that most kids had was you did not give good data evidence when you were talking about trends and predictions. So for example, here's one thing I saw. People wrote, a trend I see is that Facebook is going down. Well, yeah, that might be a trend, but let's get some data with that. Show me that you really understand the graph. So here's a better way to write it. One trend is that the popularity of Facebook has decreased from a high of 21% in 2015 to just 2% in 2022. 2022. Okay, so do you see the difference there? This has no data. This has data. So that's what I really want you to focus on as you're doing the second graph of the week. Okay, so you'll start out by doing graph of the week number 2. You can do a hard copy, they're on the science desk, or you can do the online one. I will say the hard copy did not photocopy very well, so this one's very tricky. You need to look at the red line, which shows the percent of people compared to all searches who searched for Cyber Monday. It's kind of a weird graph. Just do your best on it, okay? And graph B is here. Okay, when you finish that, you should go to assignment 5, Harvesting Sunlight Notes. Okay, first of all, read through the sketchnote gallery. I have compiled a bunch of sketch notes from this class of people who have done a really nice job. Okay, so you can see, I tell you why I chose this. All right, highlighted ideas, space between ideas. So you can get an idea of that. Then get a hard copy of the article from the science desk. There's a color copy here. Read and annotate it. What surprised you? What did the author think you already knew? And then use the template below to take sketch notes after you annotate. Or you can use this template and modify it for Cornell Notes. So it's up to you. You would have to go back and look to see what the Cornell Note format is. So those are the things you're going to do today. 2 assignments. Good luck. Work hard. I asked the sub to give you a brain break in the, halfway through the class, so you have some time to stretch. And you can share ideas with